Hi everyone! Today I'll be talking about Althea Kingdom, the Underground Kingdom, a thrilling virtual reality adventure that is Maple at Wattpad. It's a unique mix of action, romance, and transformational stakes. At its heart, the story explores the themes like competition, sacrifice, and the deep impact of love and loss in the virtual world. It's about pushing yourself to the limit, to the best, but also discovering what really matters when everything's on the line. So, here's the twist. The game's creator traps the player's conscious minds inside the game, meaning, if they die in the virtual world, they'll die in the real world too. In the final battle, with just a bit of health left, Denise, Prius, and their friends defeated the monstrous creature. They thought it was over and that they're going back to their world. But in a shocking moment, it turns to attack him, but someone blocked him. Prius sacrificed himself to save her, and Denise returns to the world while Prius is left behind. His heart stopped beating in the real world too. Devastated by the loss of the persons he loves the most, Denise struggles with guilt and grief. But eventually, after a long day of watching his grave, she felt his warm embrace telling her that it's time for her to move on. But he's ready to let her go, and that was her cue to lose her life without him.